Hey guys, Elliot here for Worldwide Auctioneers, and right now we are in a 1965 Ferrari 330 GT 2+2 Series 1. This car is finished in a magnificent shade of Verde Metallico, and it has this naturale leather color combination on the interior. It's absolutely beautiful, even better in the sun. But even more importantly, this car is a numbers matching chassis, numbers matching engine, just went through a comprehensive restoration. This car drives beautifully, looks even better, and it's going across the block this April as part of our new extended Enthusiast auction right here in Auburn, Indiana. You gotta see these cars to believe it, but you can bid online, you can bid on the phone, but trust me, you're gonna wanna be here to see this car. We'll see you guys in Auburn at the end of April.